Thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. So up on Mylifefullofhope.com, if you check the resource library, well, this video is going to be about the May and June monthly meal plan. So every single month, I have been doing these meal plans, and I decided to do the monthly versus 2 weeks because it just comes around too fast for me. We're almost halfway through May, and I'm just now getting this video out. My apologies. I'm working on some other things. So this has been really helpful for me, for my household, and I was hoping it would be helpful for you guys because went on this prepping food emergency pantry journey last year, and it has freed up my time so much. So I don't have to go, it seemed like it was a whole chore, even though I love the chore of going to the grocery store every single week or every couple of days. And now we have just about all the staples on hand, except maybe some non-perishables. So this monthly meal plan just kind of organizes or gets some ideas and not being in a rut. Now, my question is, has this been helping you guys or has it not? I know sometimes I may follow some of the things on the meal plan, but then there are some days I just go based off of my emotions or how I feel that day or how busy really I am, and the meal plan may go to the wayside. So even though the summer is coming up, I really want to focus on the meal plans and make sure I go just about according to the meal plan 80% of the time. I also want to incorporate I have some grilling out here. This is the month of June. Let me go back to May. So up here at the top it does say April, but I did rename them. So for the month of May, I didn't number them, but the first was on Sunday. So over here, we have shrimp scampi, a veggie of your choice, some cheddar bay biscuits, and some black bean burgers. So I try to think of some light things. Sometimes when you live in the South and you're used to eating a certain way, you can still add some heavy things in there. But I know when it starts getting warmer outside, we want to grill out on the grill. And then we also want to, or we don't feel like as many heavy foods. So just take that in consideration. Like pot roast may be something a little bit too heavy for you, which I have here on this Sunday, but then it's also comforting on a Sunday. I also have leftovers and fend for yourself days on here and dining out. And I don't know if I said, but I've been trying to do this every single month. So lately I've been doing it 2 months in advance or a month and a half in advance. So you can check out my resource library, which is over here on My Life Full of Hope. If you sign up for my emails, it should give you a password, and that password, just save it somewhere in your phone. It's not hard to remember, and I have to set this up, but right now I have it here in the middle of the blog. So Mylifefullofhope.com got a new look. I like it. I worked hard on this. I worked really hard, and it's still some things I need to work on, like here in the middle and stuff, but I'll get to it. Also, so this is what the resource library looks like. If you're signed up for my emails as well, I will put those in a link in the email. Yeah, a link in the email as well, so you can get those. So no worries here. So earlier today, I did put this in here, the June monthly meal plan and the May. You can also find April, March, February, and January should be up here somewhere too. January. So I want to do this to the end of the year for you guys and also for myself as well. So once you enter that password on the page here in the resource library, or you subscribe under the link tree on Instagram or anything like that, it will give you a password. And let's click it. Once you have that password, maybe because I'm already logged in, y'all, it'll be like a password protected page. You put that password in, and then it will load the page for all the links to the entire freebie library. So there. Okay, let's go back to the meal plan and look at it. I did start a Pinterest board last 2 months. I can't say last month. The last 2 months I did this. So here is the Pinterest. Oh no, we don't want to exit now. Okay, here is the Pinterest board. It says YT meal planning. And I did put some extra things in here, and I was thinking about throwing in the meal plan. But if I have a P, let me just scroll down before I flip back. If I have a P beside it, more than likely it is in this board on my Pinterest page. So it's a P here, the maple brown sugar tenderloin. I haven't tried it. I want to try it. The Mexican lasagna. Another thing, what I try to do for my family is not to have tacos. They will have tacos every single Tuesday. They will have pizza every single day. So I try to mix it up with some other things. You'll see that on the different meal plans. So Mexican lasagna, taco, slow cooker, taco pasta, some enchilada soup. And I put fresh bread throughout different meal plans as well, because I have lots of flour, lots of yeast, and I need to use it. So I'm going to pull out my bread machine and make some fresh baked bread, or do it by hand, and some rolls as well, y'all. So I also have some options here for breakfast for dinner throughout. So sometimes I just said breakfast for dinner, and then sometimes I gave suggestions like hash browns, scrambled eggs, and bacon or sausage. Maybe I have said sausage biscuits on some of the other ones. I don't remember or not. Fend for yourself is just like things like some people may want chicken sandwiches, like if you get them from Sam's or wherever, Aldi, wherever, y'all, Food Line, wherever your grocery store is, or they may want chicken nuggets, or they just may want a sandwich, something like that. Okay, so for May, it's 31 days, and the line here just means I actually have it lined up just like how the date is. I just didn't date it. So Mother's Day is over here. And then this is, I think, the 31st. And I left this one blank, the 30th and 31st. So this is Memorial Day weekend here. Where it says leftovers is the week before. Let me look at the calendar, y'all. And I did this so like if someone would see this like next year or 2 years from now, I won't have dates on here. So the 23rd here, where it says the leftovers on the top, the line is to divide the 30 and the 31st down here. So Memorial Day is, oh, I have it on wrong, y'all. I think Memorial Day, Alexa, what day is Memorial Day?
Memorial Day will be on Monday, May 31st, 2021.
Yeah, I got it wrong, y'all. So grilling out and s'mores. I try to do some little easy things or some little different things for my family for like the holidays, or of course if it's their birthday. Now to wrap this up, y'all, for June it's Father's Day, and I normally do like Sunday here, the third Sunday, I normally do a breakfast or something for Jason, and I think last year I did a breakfast for my dad. This year I may do a dinner. So I did roasted chicken, stuffing yams, just like a little mini Thanksgiving. So it's up to you. And then Josiah's birthday is actually on this day here where it says leftovers. I didn't want to put Josiah's birthday on here because someone else will see it. You guys like, who is Josiah? You know, some random person that may find my post or download or whatever. So I decided to do leftovers here. And I'm not sure what we'll do. We did a burger bar last year for his birthday. I don't know. That's probably what he wants again, but we'll see. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. I did put a link here for Aldi into the PDF if you downloaded, and it goes straight to the recipe. So I only have like one or two. It's the crusted salmon. And let's see. Let me go back. Yeah, I try to insert the link so when you guys click on it, through the PDF, it'll go straight to it. And then I think the other one was a Mediterranean salad. Did I do the link? Was it the other one? Yeah, I did. It's all on the same one. This one here, the Mediterranean turkey chopped salad. So lots of inspiration on Pinterest and lots of inspiration on Aldi out here on the World Wide Web, y'all. So that's it, y'all. So I hope you enjoy this month's meal plan. I'll try to get better. I may one day just bang out the rest of the year. Who knows? But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helping you out. And again, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know, are you going according to the meal plan, or you just picking and choosing what's best for you? All right, y'all. Bye.